That looks really cool.
Hold up, I gotta do the sport mode trick.
Give me a little revs too. Listen to this, Zach. This thing's a supercar.
That's so
Holy crap. Oh my god, dude, this thing's so nice. Jeez. That's like 60. Oh my gosh.
Last packs.
Gotta catch up. We gotta have a rev off battle.
It broke.
Yeah, shatters.
You just heard that?
Brady, POV Tedward.
Yep.